Stampers, welcome to Make a Card Monday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this very elegant congratulations card. I needed some congratulation cards recently and I wanted them to be kind of a fall theme. So I pulled out the new Detailed Leaves Thinlits dies. Now when I bought these, there is a coordinating stamp set that goes with it, but I chose actually not to do the coordinating stamp set. I just wanted the Thinlits because I knew that I would still use them just as much. So here it is in the holiday catalog on page 45. Up here at the top is the Falling for Leaves stamp set, and it is a beautiful stamp set. And down here are the Thinlits, the Detailed Leaves Thinlit dies, and they do come as a bundle where you save 10% if you buy both of them. But today, the card I'm showing you, we are just going to be using the Detailed Leaves Thinlit dies. I just think they are so pretty and just make such elegant designs. So this is the card we're going to be making. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this. So we're going to start off with a piece of Merry Merlot cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5.5. And we are just going to fold this in half to make our card base. We're going to use our bone folder to make sure our crease is nice and crisp. Okay? Then we're going to set that aside. Now, like I said, there are beautiful Thinlits in this. So we are using this really pretty leaf die, okay, that has lots of little intricate designs cut in it. And so what I'm going to be using that on is our gold foil paper, okay. So I just ran it through the Big Shot, okay, with our gold foil paper, and then I came out with this leaf right here. Now, if I would have put that directly on my card, it wouldn't show up as much. So I thought it needed a darker color behind it. So this Thinlits also come with the outline of the leaf. And so I just used it and cut it out of the Merry Merlot for behind it. Okay, so here it is like this. And I am just going to put my glue directly on the back of my gold foil. Okay, and remember, when you use the liquid glue, you just need dots. Okay, of course, if I could get it to even come out, there we go, that would be good. So you just need some dots of it around here and there, and it doesn't take a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to lay it over on top of my leaf Thinlit, just like that. Now sometimes you got to hold it down for just a minute for the glue to take. But then you got it right there. Okay. Now we're also going to use a piece of Whisper White cardstock that measures 5 1/4 by 4. Now another one of the dies in this that I just think is gorgeous is down here, this little edgelet, okay, that goes along the edge of your cardstock. So what I did is I took it and I took my piece of Whisper White, okay, and I just laid it down across the bottom of it and then ran that through my Big Shot, and that came out with this lovely lacy edge that's going to go on our card front, okay. And I just think that is such a pretty, pretty look, okay. And if you see when we lay the leaf on there, it really pops, okay. So just to keep with the coloring of the card, I'm going to use my Merry Merlot stamp pad, and I'm just going to stamp my word congratulations down here on the bottom like that. Okay. Then I'm going to turn my leaf over, put my adhesive on the back of my leaf, put it down on my card front, put my snail on the back of this piece. And it is going to go my card front just like that. So there we go. There is a beautiful but super simple congratulations card. And again, we used the Detailed Leaves Thinlit dies. Okay, so thanks for stopping by and watching. Please share this with your friends if you've enjoyed this fall congratulations card. And thanks for stopping by.